everyone. So today I will show you how do we change the default browser in React.js. So first of all, I would run my project. I will show you what browser I have at the moment. So I have to go in my folder. Okay, and now npm start. Okay, so as you can see, it's working in Opera at the moment. And what I would do is I would just change it to the Google Chrome. So I would go in setting, I would type default apps, and now after coming in default apps, I just have to change the browser to the Google Chrome. Change for the HTTP as well. Okay, now so it's change. Now I will try running it again. I'm in my folder, so it's npm start. Okay, as you can see, now it's working in the Google Chrome. I have another way as well. So like you can go in the package.json, and now we have the default browser written here. So it's React script start. So what you have to do, if that doesn't work for you, so I have few commands I'll give you in the description. So you can just replace it with this for the Windows and with this for the Linux. And if the Windows one wouldn't work for you, then you can write the full script as well. And if none of them work for you, you can just go in the default apps and you can just change it. Anyways, if that also doesn't work for you, you can just search how to change default browsers in React.js. And here in this Stack Overflow, we have different things written. So you can try any of them, and then I feel your issue will be resolved. This one didn't work for me, so I had to go in the default apps and had to change everything from the bottom. So if that works for you, you can go with them. Otherwise, you can just go to the default apps and then you can change your default browser accordingly. So that's all I have for this video. Thanks a lot. Bye.